Emergency Preparedness for Home Caregivers, English for Beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English for Caregivers series. I'm Anna, and today we will learn emergency preparedness for home caregivers in simple English. We'll learn how to talk and act during emergencies using easy English sentences. Let's begin. Part 1. What is emergency preparedness? Emergency preparedness means being ready before something bad happens, like a fire, a fall, or a medical emergency. Understanding an emergency. For example, Mr. Smith, do you know what an emergency is?
Is it when something dangerous happens?
Yes, that's right. An emergency is when we need quick help. For example, if someone falls or feels sick suddenly.
Oh, I understand. We must be ready.
Exactly. That's called emergency preparedness. Part 2. Important vocabulary. Let's learn some important words. Repeat after me. Emergency. Emergency. Something serious that needs fast action. Something serious that needs fast action. First aid kit. First aid kit. A box with medicine and bandages. A box with medicine and bandages. Ambulance. A car that takes sick people to the hospital. A car that takes sick people to the hospital. Evacuate. To leave a place because it's dangerous. Evacuate. To leave a place because it's dangerous. Fire extinguisher. A tool to stop fire. Fire extinguisher. A tool to stop fire. Let's see how we can use these words in a conversation. Practicing vocabulary. Mr. Smith, where is your first aid kit?
It's in the kitchen cabinet.
Good. I need it to know just in case there is a fire?
In such a case, Anna, we will just need to evacuate the house immediately. Ha 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 ha.
Excellent. Are you ready to go for a walk?
Sure, let's go.
Exactly. That's called emergency preparedness. Part 3. Common emergency sentences. Now let's learn some sentences we can use during emergencies. Repeat after me. Stay calm. I will help you. Stay calm. I will help you. I'm calling 911. I'm calling 911. Where is your first aid kit? Where is your first aid kit? Please lie down. Please lie down. Are you breathing? Are you breathing? Let's see these sentences in action. Emergency situation scene. Mr. Smith feels dizzy.
Anna, I don't feel well. I feel dizzy.
Stay calm, Mr. Smith. I will help you. Please sit down. Are you breathing okay?
Yes, but I feel weak.
Okay, I'm calling 911 now. Hello, this is Anna. My patient feels dizzy and weak. Please send an ambulance.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Help is on the way. Part 4. Steps to prepare for emergencies. Now let's learn how to prepare before emergencies happen. Know emergency numbers in your country. Keep a first aid kit at home. Check smoke alarms. Learn how to use a fire extinguisher. Make an emergency plan. Who to call and where to go. Let's see an example of planning. Making a safety plan. Jack, do you know the emergency number?
Yes, it's 911.
Good. And where should we go if there is a fire?
We should go outside to the garden.
Perfect. That's our safe place. Now let's write our plan and keep it near the phone.
Great idea!
Part 5. Review and practice. Let's practice. I'll ask and you answer at home. Ready? What should you do if someone falls? What should you do if someone falls? You say, stay calm. I will help you. Yes, you say, stay calm. I will help you. What should you check every month? Correct. The smoke alarm and first aid kit. What should you check every month? Correct. The smoke alarm and first aid kit. Where should you go during a fire? Outside. To a safe place. Where should you go during a fire? Outside. To a safe place. Excellent. Today we learned what emergency preparedness means, important English words for emergencies, what to say during emergencies, how to make a safety plan. Now you can speak English clearly and help others safely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other caregivers who want to learn English. See you next time. Bye-bye.